Namaste. Engineering Mathematics Module Differential Calculus 1. Assignment problem. Find the radius of curvature for the following curves. Fourth problem. Y equal to 4 sin x minus sin 2x at the point pi by 2 comma 4. So fourth one. Y equal to 4 sin x minus sin 2x. Sin 2x. So here take the differentiation of this y with respect to x. So that is y1 equal to 4 into differentiation of sin x. Adu cos x agutte. Minus. So differentiation of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. 2 cos 2x. Then y1 at points are pi by 2 comma 4. So pi by 2 comma 4. So equal to 4 cos x. This is x point. This one is the y point. So cos pi by 2 minus 2 cos 2 into pi by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So cos 9 pi by 2 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Minus 2 cos pi. So equal to minus 2 cos pi is minus 1. So that is equal to minus plus. So that is 2. So y1 at pi by 2 comma 4 is 2. Next to find out y2. y2 equal to 4 cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Minus 2 into differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x. So then y2 at pi by 2 comma 4 equal to minus 4 sin pi by 2 minus plus 2 2s are 4 sin 2 into pi by 2. So equal to minus 4 into sin pi by 2, sin 90 is 1 plus 4, 2 get cancelled, sin pi is 0 equal to minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 plus 4 into 0 is 0 equal to minus 4. Next radius of curvature rho equal to 1 plus y1 square to the power of 3 by 2 divided by y2. So equal to 1 plus y1 is 2 square is 4 to the power of 3 by 2 divided by y2 is minus 4. So equal to 5 to the power of 3 by 2 divided by minus 4. So 5 to the power of 3 by 2 is 5 root 5 divided by minus 4. So that is equal to minus 5 by 4 to the root 5. So rho, then mod rho equal to 5 by 4 root 5 is the answer. Okay. So ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ y1ಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 4 sin xಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ cos x minus sin 2xಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 2 cos 2x. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ y1 at pi by 2 comma 4. So here 4 cos pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is cos 90 is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. Okay, minus 2 cos 2 into x is pi by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Cos pi is minus 1. Minus plus. So 2 1s are 2. Next y2 means take the differentiation of y1 with respect to x. So 4 as it is. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Minus 2. Differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x. Next illi minus 4 sin x. Minus plus. 2 2s are 4 sin 2x. Next here y2 at point pi by 2 comma 4. So that is minus 4 sin pi by 2 plus 4 into sin 2 x is pi by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. then here sin 90 is 1. So minus 4 plus 4, sin 2 get cancelled, sin pi is 0. Okay, so minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 plus sin pi is 0, 4 into 0 is 0. So minus 4. Then first write down the radius of curvature rho equal to 1 plus y1 square to the power of 3 by 2 divided by y2. So 1 plus y1, so y1 is how much here? 2. Okay, y1 square is 4 to the power of 3 by 2 divided by y2. Y2 is here how much? Minus 4. Okay, so 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 to the power of 3 by 2. So 5 power of 3 by 2 anta heladre 5 root 5 divided by minus 4. So that is equal to minus 5 by 4 root 5. So then always consider entadidu absolute andre mod radius of curvature equal to ಇದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವೇಚರ್ನ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಬರೆದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.